Hi there, it's Kim Denny with Inspired here, and today I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on how to complete your baby feet string art plaque. So if you ordered this as a kit, they can be ordered completed where I would do the stringing for you. But if you're watching this, you probably have it as a kit, which means I painted the wood and put the decals on and I put the nails in for you. Now I've also outlined, and it's a little hard to see on this one because I'm using light blue string on the silver paint here, but I outlined the soles of the feet to give you a starting point of the shapes that you're going to work with. Okay, so what you're going to do is just take your blue string or your pink string or whatever color you're working with and tie it on to any nail on one of those feet. So you just tie it around any nail 2 times, and then you go ahead and, just like I already did for you, you go ahead and outline the outside of the foot. So you're just going along the outer edge, and it gets a little tricky up at the top where the little piggy toes are. You don't want to overlap into the toes because you want to treat each section separately. And so you outline. So there we have it. Now you're going to just take your string and you're going to pretend like you have a crayon in your hand and you're just scribbling inside the lines. So you can go in any directions. You'll make some short lines side to side. You'll make some long lines top to bottom, and you'll just keep going. Once you've completed a layer, which means that you've hit each nail about 1 time, and it's okay if you skip some nails or if you hit a nail more than once. Once you have a layer, you will go ahead and take your hands and just really gently go around and press down the string some so it moves it down toward the wood a bit. And then you're just going to repeat that process. So you'll just outline again and then do your random stringing. And then you'll outline again and do your random stringing. Most people will do about 3 or 4 layers until it's as dense as you would like it to be. There's no right or wrong way, so whatever looks good to your eye is perfect. Once you have that foot done, you are going to, and I did not bring my scissors here. Let's see if I can show you this way. So you're going to cut off your string, and anytime you cut a string when you're tying on or when you're tying off, go ahead and cut a nice long tail so that you have some room to work, or you're going to get frustrated trying to tie your knots. Okay? If you are back on the same nail where you started, you can just take your beginning string and ending string and tie them twice together to make a knot around the nail. Super easy. You can leave those long tails hang until the end. Once your project is completed, you can go around and hit each of those knots with a little drop of super glue or any type of glue that you have, and then trim them real nice and as close to the nails as you can. Now, for each of your little toes here, you're going to work each of those sections separately. So do the soles of the feet first, then go ahead and complete your toes. As you're doing the toes, try to watch your tension. Don't pull too tight or you're going to start to pull those nails in real close together. So you don't have to be super tight as you're stringing. Leave a little bit of slack in your line there. Okay? Oh, I forgot to show you. Before I cut off, I should have showed you this. So let's pretend that we've done our 3 or 4 layers of random stringing and we have this as full as we want. Before you cut and tie off, so back up, you're going to create a border around the edge. And what you do is you loop around 1, 2, and then 1, 2, and then 1, 2, and just continue your way around. And you can see that gives you a little bit of an outline along the border, which will give you a nice finished look. So if you pretend that this is nail A and this is nail B, you loop around A and B 2 times, then B and C 2 times, then C and D 2 times, and you just continue your way around. At that point, cut your nice long tail, tie 2 times, and that section would be completed. Move on to your piggy toes, do your other foot, and the last part that you're going to do is going to be the heart, because that's going to sit up on top of the 2 feet, and then your project will be all finished. So I hope you enjoy it. If you have any questions, just shoot me a message through the Facebook page, which will be in the description of this video. There are lots more projects available, so if you love doing this one, I hope to hear from you again. And please feel free to share a picture of your completed project on the Facebook page as well. Thanks so much. Have fun. Bye-bye.